Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the various options to share reports in the Power BI service. So let's say you've created a report and you want to share it with people. What are the various options available in the Power BI service? And I'll quickly take you through them. So I'm already logged into the Power BI service and I'll just go to Learn to Excel Workspace and I'll go to one of my reports and I'll just open my report. And let's say I've created or you've created this report and you want to share this report with other people. What are the various options? So you go to the file option and click on the drop down and you can save a copy of the report and give it to people, or you can download the PBIX file. You can print the report, the current page. You can embed it into a website. You can embed it into SharePoint online and then share it via that. You can publish it to the web. You can export it to a PowerPoint and then circulate that PowerPoint, and you can export it to a PDF. We've already covered, so you can share the PBX file. If it is not a really big file, you can put it on a shared drive and other people can access it. All they need to do is install the Power BI desktop. So that's one of the few options available. The other one is you can do a share. So you can click on the share button and you can put in the name of whoever you want to share it with, and then you can give them access as well. So I'm the owner, but let's say I have a developer and I want to give him access. So, and let's say I do share the report with him, and let's just go back to the sharing tab again. And if I go on access, you can see that he's got read and reshare access. So I can just change it to read, or I can change it, or I could remove access here as well. But we've basically just shared this report with him here. Another way to do sharing is you can create a workspace. So let's say you create a workspace. For example, Learn to Excel is one of my workspaces, and for that particular workspace you can share. So here, Learn to Excel, I have the option to share the work. So I can go to Workspace Access and I can give access to multiple people on this workspace so they can view the Power BI files that sit in this specific workspace. So just to do a quick recap, in this video we've explored some of the report sharing options available in the Power BI service. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.